The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia makes a stylish and nostalgic return, blending timeless elegance with the latest in automotive innovation. Reviving one of VW's most iconic designs, the new Karmann Ghia pays homage to the sleek, curvaceous coupe that first captivated drivers in the 1950s and 60s, while offering a fully modern experience under the surface. Built on Volkswagen's flexible MEB electric platform, the 2025 model is a zero-emissions vehicle that balances performance, beauty, and sustainability in one dynamic package. Visually, the Karmann Ghia retains the low-slung silhouette and flowing lines that made the original a design legend. The 2025 version features smooth, aerodynamic bodywork with modern LED lighting and flush door handles. Its front fascia is simple yet expressive, with a wide stance and sculpted hood that nod to its heritage while aligning with today's minimalist electric car aesthetics. Chrome accents and available two-tone paint options further strengthen the retro-modern vibe, making it stand out from the crowd. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of vintage charm and digital sophistication. The dashboard design takes inspiration from the classic Karmann Ghia, featuring body color inserts and circular air vents reminiscent of the original. At the same time, drivers are treated to a fully digital cockpit, complete with a high-resolution instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and haptic controls. Premium materials like sustainable leather alternatives, wood trim, and soft touch surfaces elevate the interior ambiance, creating a driving environment that's both nostalgic and future-ready. Powering the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a single or dual-motor electric drivetrain, depending on trim level. The base rear-wheel drive model delivers approximately 250 horsepower, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive version bumps that figure to over 320 horsepower. Acceleration is brisk, with the AWD variant capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. A low center of gravity, responsive steering, and adaptive suspension ensure that the driving experience is as engaging as the car's styling suggests. With multiple drive modes, including Eco, Comfort, and Sport, the Karmann Ghia adapts effortlessly to various driving styles and road conditions. Range is another strong point, with Volkswagen claiming up to 310 miles on a single charge, thanks to a 77 kWh battery pack and efficient aerodynamics. Fast charging capability allows drivers to replenish up to 80% of the battery in around 30 minutes, making the car as practical for road trips as it is for city cruising. VW has also included the latest in driver assistance tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous parking, further enhancing convenience and safety. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a nostalgic nameplate revival, it's a statement piece that bridges the past and the future. It offers style without compromise, delivering an emotional connection to a classic era of automotive design while embracing the demands of modern driving and sustainability. For those seeking a head-turning EV with soul, character, and cutting-edge technology, the new Karmann Ghia stands in a class of its own.